Dati naman nung bumaba kami ng airport, ganyan. Kaya akala nung mga what happened,
Yeah.
What's wrong? Why are you throwing all your crabs?
Samahan mo daw siya.
I think she's missing the blue ball.
Nandun sa
Or
playpen
white
siguro.
Hindi, kayong dalawa daw.
She broke off the flag. You know the flag? She broke
Yeah,
it.
she knows how. Turn it upside down.
Wala na, no more.
Just wants to make sure.
What happened? You had a bad round?
Yeah.
She can't find all her balls, that's why. She's like, I know it was one just there.
Hayden. Okay. Busy siyang tragis talaga. Wala, warak talaga, warak.
There, she got the red one.
Tawa-tawa ka pa dyan. Ayan. Ako. Ayan na.
She's eating her thing. Where are you going?